Hi everyone. So in this particular video I will go through the Kubernetes cluster upgrade. So I'll be upgrading cluster version from 1.23.2 to 1.23.3. So it's a minor upgrade. So I have two nodes. Upper one is master and the below one is the worker node. I'll be doing the upgrade simultaneously to save some time on both the nodes, but in any production cluster you should do it one by one, like you should drain the node one by one and uncoordinate it one by one, but just to save on time I'll be doing it simultaneously on both the nodes. So yep, let's get started. So so I will be so first set of commands I'll be running on both the nodes. So let's get started. So yeah, so I just put both so that you can see I'm running it on both the nodes. So first I'll do kubectl get nodes. You can see my version is 1.2.23.2. So both the nodes are running the same version. Next what I do is I'll unhold kubeadm and the other packages. Kubeadm, because I need to upgrade, so I just unhold it and I'll install the kubeadm version 1.23.3. so this I'm doing on both the nodes, and then I do a hold on kubeadm. So I run this command, it gets executed on both the nodes. So this command is finished. So what I need to do next is okay, so next set of commands will run on only the master nodes. So I'll just come to master node and I'll run the next set of commands. So this is for master. So we'll just check out the kubeadm version that we have just downloaded. So it shows as 1.23.3. you can see it over here, and then we can just run sudo kubeadm upgrade plan on the master node. So this is also executed, and what we do next is just upgrade apply on the master node 1.23.3. This will take some time because it needs to do like image pull for the new version 1.23.3, and this is also getting upgraded. So the static pod is getting pulled. Yeah, so it has found it has pulled in the latest image, and it's applying those to the pods, and it's showing the hash value because there is a change in the image and the pod definition. So it has almost done all its work, and so it's doing one by one. So you would have seen kube scheduler, and earlier there was the other one, kubelet, and yeah, so it has done that. Next we'll just do get nodes, and you can see there we have two nodes. So what we need to do is we have to drain those nodes. So I have taken the master node, and you will see the value. So my master node is 33 and 126, but I have taken value one by one, so it doesn't matter. Same way for the worker node. because I'll be draining it, so it doesn't matter like which node is which. So I'm draining the second node first and the other node. Yeah, so though both the nodes have been drained, now I can apply it to the uh, to the to the worker. So I'll go here and run the next set of commands. So this is on the worker node. So I just have to, for the worker node, I just have to run kubeadium upgrade node. So that is also, so that this is only one command we have to run. So now we have to run a set of commands on both the nodes. So I'll just apply it to both. So this is for the both the nodes. Yeah. So we'll just do apt mark and hold. Now we'll do the other components, kubelet and kubectl. So basically there are three components that we have to upgrade. Kubeadium is the like a admin component, and once that is done we have to do the kubelet and kubectl. So we'll just do the same procedure: unhold, install and hold. We do hold so that it does not get automatically updated when we run apt-get update. Yeah, so it has successfully finished. So next set of commands is only meant for the, okay, sorry, next we have to just do a systemctl daemon reload on both the nodes, because we have just updated the kubelet and kubectl, and we have to restart the kubelet which runs on all the nodes. So that is done. So next we have to just uncordon so that it's ready for taking the workloads. So that needs to be done only on the master nodes. So I'll just come to the master node on the top node and run do the last part. So I'm on the master node. So I'll uncordon the master and same the other one worker. And if I do kubectl get nodes, you will see both the version has been upgraded to 1.23.3 and both the nodes are in ready state. And yep, that's all. So this was a procedure to upgrade your Kubernetes cluster master and worker, and I have just taken an example of doing a minor upgrade from 1.23.2 to 1.23.3. Yep, so that's it guys. So this was a quick demo. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.